Hey there, growth mindset enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Growth Mindset Company channel. If you're new here, we're all about diving deep into topics that foster growth, understanding, and innovation. Today, we've got a special treat for you. But first, a quick shout out to our hub of knowledge over at www.wisdomwavishub.com. The dedication and depth of content there are unparalleled. Alright, let's dive into the intricate world of construction contracts, specifically the FIDIC framework. Now, it might sound technical, but by the end of this, you'll see the beauty and logic behind it. Starting with Clause 4.10 Site Data. Think of it as the foundation of a construction project. It's all about understanding the terrain you're building on. The purpose? To ensure everyone involved knows the site's conditions, from environmental aspects to what's beneath the ground. It's like having a map before you embark on a journey. But here's the catch. The implications of this clause are vast. Accurate site data can influence decisions, budgets, and even project timelines. Imagine setting out on a journey with an outdated map. The result: unforeseen obstacles, detours, and maybe even some legal disputes. Now, while Clause 4.10 is pivotal, it's just one piece of the puzzle. It's interconnected with other clauses, creating a holistic framework. It's like understanding how different instruments in an orchestra come together to create a symphony. And speaking of coming together, let's talk visuals. Flowcharts and Minmaps. These tools help visualize the intricate dance of clauses and contracts. They provide clarity, showing how one clause influences another, and how they all come together to create a comprehensive contract. But wait, there's more. In the world of construction contracts, communication is key. And that's where sample letters come in. These letters, crafted with precision, ensure that all parties are on the same page, addressing concerns, clarifying doubts, and ensuring smooth sailing. And for those who love organization, we've got checklists. These structured lists ensure that every aspect of Clause 4.10 is proficiently executed, deployed, and supervised. It's like having a to-do list, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now, let's circle back to the growth mindset. Just as every clause has its purpose and implications, every challenge we face is an opportunity for growth. Embracing this mindset means understanding the interconnectedness of our experiences and using them to propel ourselves forward. The beauty of our discussions, like the one we're sharing today, lies in their depth. We don't just skim the surface, we dive deep. And that's the ethos of the Growth Mindset Company. We believe in providing insights that not only inform but inspire. So, the next time you see a construction site, think of the intricate web of clauses, contracts, flowcharts, letters, and checklists behind it. And remember, every challenge is an intricate web of opportunities waiting to be unraveled. If you found this enlightening, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives. And for an even deeper journey, head over to www.wisdomwavishub.com. It's a journey worth embarking on. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and always embrace the mindset of endless possibilities. Cheers!